Our goal is to use low-cost imaging devices like the Kinect camera or time-of-flight cameras, and to use state-of-the-art algorithms for refining artifacts that are present in these types of sensors.
And we are interested in three parts. That's basically the first part is enhancement of this data, to denoise the data. The second part is about gesture recognition of this data. And last but not least, we also want to evaluate the data, so we also need ground truth, which we get from synthetic data.
And with our research, we are trying to make it possible to use low-cost hardware for highly accurate object scans, which will then be able to use in virtual worlds and for everyday use, basically.
The depth data you can use for segmenting objects, to detect objects, to detect gestures. It's a really nice kind of data set you have. You really know the depth of each object of your scene. You can easily separate these objects from background and so on.
We want to make it possible for everyday person to use their, to realize their dreams in terms of bringing 3D objects into virtual worlds, and making it possible for people to design their 3D worlds however they like. So it's like at the turn of the last century, when people were able to use a normal camera to make photos of their surroundings. With our research, they will be able to use a low-cost camera to capturing 3D scenes and bringing these into their computers.